So these right here are the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros. Now they cost roughly around £129 here in the UK, and probably roughly around that number in the rest of the world wherever they are available. And they have some really great spec. In fact, let's talk about that. So if you were to charge these via the USB-C and you're in a rush, well, a 5-minute charge gets you 4 hours of battery life, which is sick. You also get a ton of AI features. For example, if you're on a call, it has 6 mics inside that will adjust using AI that will allow you to adapt to the environment around you. So if you're out in traffic and it's really busy, the person on the other end is not going to actually see that, because we'll use the AI within the earbuds to actually adjust the environment, which is super sick. And there's 6 total mics there as well, which is awesome. You also get 7 additional, we'll read off the back of this, 7 sensor noise cancelling with reactive algorithm as well. So that's when you listen to your music, for example, it will again adjust the environment around you. So it's super adaptive. So where it needs transparency, it will do it. And then there's one other really unique feature, and that's the case itself. Now this case is something that I've never seen before. So it has 2 really cool functions. It has a glossy top, so maybe buy a cover to protect against scratches or marks, but beyond that, the build quality is excellent. If you slide it up, you actually get a small LCD display at the front, which will show you the battery level charge of your earbuds, as well as a case. But slightly below that, you have a touch bar. Now this touch bar will allow you to control anything from transparency mode to adaptive ANC, right up to full level 10 ANC, all through that touch bar. It doesn't require you to do anything else. You don't have to touch your phone, you don't have to go into an app, you don't have to do anything. That is pretty sick and pretty unique. And let's talk very quickly about the case itself. So it's very simple, but very powerful. It's super lightweight and portable. It's like a pebble design. Like I said, glossy finish at the top, and on the back here you do get a USB-C, which again, a 5-minute charge gets you 4 hours of battery life, which is sick. And then moving on slightly, you do get the app, which allows you to customize anything from your control settings right the way up to the level of ANC. And within that app, you can choose to use any of the different sound signatures. So if you've ever had a Soundcore product before, you know what the bass sound quality looks like and sounds like, which is great. But if you didn't want that and you want something a bit more bass, you can do that as well. So we tend to sort of default for a more bassy sound profile, and the quality is really good. And you can adjust that all through the app, which is super sick and super customizable, including the controls themselves as well. So double tap, whatever have you, you can change all that within the earbud, which is amazing. In terms of sound quality and fit and finish, let's quickly talk about that. In terms of fit and finish, well, we regularly run 5Ks during the week and have had no issues at all in jogging and running and using them in the gym. They've never come out. I'm not gonna shake my head vigorously, lightheaded. They stay in, they don't move at all. Plenty of other tips in the box as well if you wanted to get the right fit for yourself, and you can do a fit test using the app itself on the Liberty 4 Pros and on the Soundcore app. So it's sick. In terms of sound quality, like we said, bass is kind of our main thing. But if you're used to sound profile, the standard Soundcore signature is excellent, super punchy, really good clarity, and you get really good vocal range as well within that app as well. So you can customize it, but the standard Soundcore signature profile is very good. And the quality overall, in terms of the build, the fit, the finish, the feel of the earbuds is excellent. I just want to shout out Soundcore as well for sponsoring this video, supplying these earbuds to us as well for this very quick review. So if you want to check these out, check out our link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Till next, as always, we out.